Hi everyone, my name is Shane with the National Weather Service here in Rapid City. Just going to give you a little update on the Thanksgiving weekend storm we have approaching. So potentially significant storm this weekend. Uh, in terms of hazards expected, we'll see a little light freezing drizzle and rain late Thursday night, overnight into the early morning Friday, followed by heavy wet snow. That snow will increase from west east, northeastern Wyoming into western South Dakota. We'll have very strong winds and blowing and drifting snow, and blizzard conditions are possible, especially across the South Dakota plains and the plains of northeastern Wyoming. Like I said, we'll see that light freezing rain begin Thursday night into Friday, especially over south central South Dakota, so near Winter, places like that. And then snow will increase west to east Friday morning. Areas impacted, all of northeastern Wyoming and western South Dakota will be impacted. And as the storm really gets going, Saturday travel will be difficult to impossible. We are confident, we have high confidence in storm occurrence, moderate confidence in snow amounts and winds at this time. So this map is kind of busy, but these are our winter watches and advisories. So you'll see here is our area in western South Dakota, northeastern Wyoming, and we have issued a winter storm watch for the area beginning Friday evening, running through Saturday or Sunday morning, excuse me. So here's our risk of snow greater than 8 inches. You'll notice some of the areas in the northern Black Hills and the Black Hills of Wyoming have the highest potential for 8 inches or more of snow. Everywhere in orange has higher potential, and then parts of our area in the south are moderate, so probably more likely could see over 8 inches, but certainly 6 or so potentially down this way. Uh, Winds will be very strong throughout the event, especially Saturday into Sunday. And here we have our max wind gust potential on Saturday. So you'll see a good swath of 60 plus miles an hour across the western South Dakota plains, with a lot of areas in the 50s, upper 40s, 30s. So pretty strong winds throughout the event. And I mentioned that we had moderate confidence in snowfall amounts. And why is that? Well, with our very strong winds, 40 to 50 plus miles an hour Saturday and Sunday, snow won't fall evenly. This likely won't be an event you can walk outside and stick a ruler in everywhere in your yard and see 8 inches of snow. You'll have a lot of blowing and drifting snow, as you'll see in this graphic here, where the backyard, everything's drifting, and in the front yard, there's hardly anything, or major drifts like this next to bare ground. You could see a lot of that, especially once the wind really begins to ramp up Saturday. But as I mentioned, we do have high confidence in that the impacts will be significant Friday night through Sunday with those heavy snow and strong winds. Some of the other factors, as I mentioned, widespread, very strong winds throughout the event, blowing and drifting snow will reduce visibility on roads. Overnight Saturday and overnight Sunday, we'll have single-digit wind chills as colder air filters in behind, coupled with those very strong winds. And then the snow will end from west to east Saturday night into Sunday morning, although the winds will continue Sunday, so we will have blowing and drifting snow on Sunday, which will reduce visibility even if the snow isn't falling anymore. And as always, for the latest information, you can go to our website, weather.gov/UNR or Rapid City. We have a briefing page with a lot of updated graphics that get updated as we update our forecasts. And as always, you can contact us via Twitter at NWS Rapid City, or on Facebook if you search U.S. National Weather Service Rapid City. You can find our latest information there and reach out to us that way. Thank you.